What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and we kicking it old school style right now. All right, first up, I just want to say thank you guys for, you know what? First off, I want to just say and give a shout out and a big thanks to Thomas Schroeder. Okay, Thomas Schroeder gave me $10. This was a while ago too, and I've been meaning to say something to you, dude, but I've been sick and all types of stuff, and it kept slipping my mind. But Thomas Schroeder cashed at me $10, and I appreciate you very, very much. So moving on, with that said, we up at Acme Tools. We have some flex deals, and before I get into that, I want to say, remember your Rakuten. Acme Tools is affiliated with Rakuten, and you get 2% cash back. And if you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description. You get a bonus $30 cash back on top of the 2% cash back when you sign up using that link in the description. And right now we have this Flex 24 volts impact driver kit, and it comes with two, not one, two 2.5 amp hour batteries, a charger, the impact driver, and a bag for $99. It's not shipped. There's no free shipping on this because you gotta spend $199 to get free shipping. But last time I had to pay for shipping from Acme Tools, it was like $6. So the shipping is not crazy. Don't add $100 to save $6. It's crazy. So it's like $108. It's literally tax. So crazy deal right there. I don't even think I need to get into the specs, but 1,800 inch-pounds of torque. This is brushless. There you go, $99. It's a crazy deal right there. Hey, look, I'm at the end of the video, but I forgot to ask you guys if you get any value, and yes, we got some good stuff coming up. Stay tuned. If you get any value from these videos, please like this video. Let the YouTube algorithm know that, hey, he's doing a good job. Show more people these deals. We like these because we can all take advantage of them. Don't be stingy. Share it with your brethren. Subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. Thank you very much. Moving on, we also have this deal. This drill driver. It's not a hammer drill. It's a regular drill driver, so it's going to be nice and compact. Also, two 2.5 amp hour batteries, the charger, and the bag. Also, $99. Crazy, ridiculous deal. And Flex is still running their little promo on the lifetime warranties, where you have to register them within 30 days and you'll get a lifetime warranty on these tools. This type of kit, buying these two individually is better than buying them as a bundle, because you get 4 batteries when you do it this way. If you were to buy them as a bundle, you would only get 2 batteries. So buy them separately for $198, get 4 batteries and the 2 tools. You're in there like swimwear. Now, if you want something with a lot more power, because this drill is, it's not the tippy top of the line, 750 inch-pounds of torque on that bad boy, and it's no hammer. If you want a hammer drill, this is still available. It comes with a 5 amp hour battery, a 2.5 amp hour battery, a hard case, and this is their big boy with the handle and everything, hammer drill, and it's still quite compact for its power. Ergonomics are great, but it is heavy, and it produces 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, also brushes, all that good stuff. This is $119. Me personally, obviously, I think the choice is obvious for extra $20 to go this route. It's finally in stock. This thing took like 4 months to get to me, but shoot, you could have this thing tomorrow, look like. Moving on, also same deal with the angle grinder. It's funny because I got this over the summer. I haven't even opened up the box to like play with it, to tell you what it's like. But for $119 with this 5 amp hour battery, I mean, and then you register it to get the lifetime warranty. I don't need to tell you that this is a good deal. It is. So that's it over at Acme Tools. Moving on over to eBay, I wanted to show you Tools Direct. It's 334 items in stock. Just to kind of go back over a few things, this Ryobi, the bucket top misting fan. I showed you that one in the video yesterday, that Craftsman. It was $99. This is $40, and it's a kit. Comes with a charger, 1.5 amp hour battery, and $40 minus 30% off is like $28. It's something crazy cheap. So yeah, I bought one of these. Excellent deal. You get 3 of those for less than that one Craftsman. Crazy. Then we also have this 40-volt blower kit for $99 with 30% off. So that's $60-something, y'all, with a 4 amp hour battery. Is that a 4 amp hour battery or a 2 amp hour battery? Let's check it out, because that looks like a 4-amp-hour battery. If you just simply need a battery, do this. It's crazy. Crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna just keep it slight right there. Oh, this last thing, this DeWalt impact drive. So remember, they can't show the pictures of the DeWalt stuff. So I'm gonna show you what this is, but this will be about $60-something as well. If we're going over here to Home Depot, this is what you're getting. It's this right here. It's $219 over at Home Depot right now. This bad boy is like $60-70 over here. Now, you won't have a warranty on the stuff from Tools Direct unless it's a Milwaukee product. They'll give you whatever's left on the warranty. However, that's a crazy, crazy cheap deal, and most of this stuff they'll return. So as soon as you get it, just open it up, make sure everything is good. All the stuff I've ever gotten from them has been brand new, including the misting fan. It came last week, it shipped fast. It was brand new. It had never been opened. So no warranty, but it was brand new for $28. Can't beat that. So anyway, so that's that. Have at this stuff. It's a lot of stuff in stock. It's a lot of these fans. And the way this works, just in case you don't know, you set this on top of one of them Home Depot buckets. There's two attachments on the bottom. One you can attach to a water bottle or something, and then the other one you can dip down into a bucket. There's two little nozzles on here. You turn it on. You can just run it as a fan, and then you can turn on the mist, and it'll blow water and blow, out of these nozzles, and then mist the water on your face. All right. So anyway, that's that. Just go through that, see what they have. They still have a lot of good deals going on over there. Moving on over to EcoFlow, on their eBay page, they have a ton of deals going on. Just too many. Let me show it to y'all like this, because it's just too many to go through. So you have a River 2. You can get a River 2 for $109. All this stuff is going to have a 5-year warranty. And also don't forget that Rakuten's over here at eBay too. 1% cash back. All this stuff qualifies as under the home and garden section. But you can get a Delta Pro for $15.99. It's refurbished, so it doesn't qualify for the 30% tax credit. But $15.99 is a crazy deal. You can get the pair, this and the extra battery for $27.99. River 2 Pro for $299. I thought it was a fantastic price at $399. That's what I bought mine at, $399. $299 now. You can get a 110 watt solar panel for $99. They have the River 2 Max for $219. I would go for the River 2 Pro though. 768 watt hours capacity, and this thing does have a booster, I think, of like 13 or 12, or I think even 1600 watts out. It's crazy. What else they got going on? A lot of good deals. A Delta 2 for $479. I paid $649 for my Delta 2. $479. Crazy deal. And I bought mine refurbished. That was actually quite dumb in hindsight, but that was back in September when the prices were still a little higher. Don't go for these Deltas. If you see like this Delta for $419 or this Delta Mini, those have lithium ion batteries. That's why I skipped this River Pro up here for $239. It's stupid. Go for this one, the $299, because these have LiFePO batteries in them. Look for LFP. Those last like 6 times longer than the other ones, okay? We have a 160 watt solar panel for $145. I'm not gonna go through everything. It's just so many good deals. The Delta 2 Max for $1049. And again, they all have the full warranties. They all have 5-year warranties. I know there's a lot of discussion about that, but let me find this. Let's just go to the Delta Pro so you guys can actually see their biggest product. Go down here and we'll see under warranty, manufacturer warranty, 24 plus 36 months. Registration, you got to register. So when you get it, register. Is very easy. Once you connect it to your app, register it, and you get 5-year warranty. So if you don't register it, you'll have a 2-year warranty. If you register, you have a 5-year warranty. So there you have that. Also. So when you add this to cart, it's going to give you a coupon code for President's Day. You can only use that 2 times on all of eBay. So you can use my coupon code EFToolDeal, and it'll get you 20%. It'll get you to this final price. You have to add this coupon code to get that. Yes, the President's Day is going to pop up automatically, but I'm asking if you guys can use mine. It's the same. It just tells EcoFlow that I'm actually getting sales and promoting for them, and it helps them just send me some free products that I can review. That's all. So I would appreciate if you use EF Tool Deal for it. Moving on to Home Depot, we have some more little deals going on over here. You have this, I mentioned this in the video yesterday, this nibbler, this M12 nibbler. You can add this extra battery and that'll come down to 170. Most people don't need nibblers in their lives. You can have this right angle die grinder. This will be 160. We also have this oscillating tool. If you add that free battery to the car, this will break down to be 106. And finally, we have a buy more, save more going on over at Home Depot as well. And I want to talk about it because they have included in this buy more, save more the brand new big boy on the street, this Milwaukee high torque impact wrench that replaces the 2767. This is now the 2967 that produces 1,100 foot-pounds of fastening and 1,600 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. If you want to see it in action, go check out the Torque Test channel. But let's go over here. Let me show you how to get this the cheapest possible. And the cheapest I could get this was $199. So what you want to do is add that to cart first. Then you want to add this for $99. And then you want to add something for $199. All right. Now you got anything for $199. I added the, what I add? No. And then you want to add something for $149. Now, if you want to keep all of it, obviously add something you want, but you could just do this job site radio right here. And what will happen is when you go to cart, because Home Depot is getting a little crafty here, they're not going to show you what it breaks down to be like they did with this other stuff. The buy more, save more is going to give you this regular price until the very end. You have to actually buy it to see what it breaks down to be. And so I did that work for you guys. You're very welcome. Spent all that money. So as you can see, I had to go back and pull up my receipt. The impact wrench breaks down to be $199.59. And in my example, I added the impact driver. That broke down to be $106.59. And then the battery kit broke down to be $70.82. And that is it for today's video. All these things will be in the description, links in the description, or it'll just be, you know, the images that you could just easily click in the description to make it a little easier for y'all. I forgot to mention this earlier, but if you got any value from this video, I ask you please like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future, and I will see you guys next time.